Due Date Planner is the place where we can see all the client tasks and their respective due dates. Let's select a time period. Click the Lookup button to list all the tasks during the period. We can see the tasks are grouped into tabs. We can also filter tasks by frequency, accountant name, etc. Let's list the tasks that occur annually. Select the frequency. And we can see the annual tasks. Let's see how to set the due dates. For this task, the current end date is January 31st. Open the Due Date controller. Let's change the due date to 2 months after the end date. So let's have a control value of 2. And control type set to end of month. Refresh now. And we can see the end date is January, and the due date is March, which is 2 months after the end date. Let's automate the Due Date Planner. Once we automate, all the tasks will be automatically sent to the task center. First select the date, say 24. Select the tasks. Now we have set the tasks to be listed in Task Center automatically on 24th of every month. Let's go back and list a task. Let's select a task. Right-click and select Delegate to the accountant. Now, the delegated task is ready to be worked from the task center. Let's open the task center. We can see the delegated tasks listed here. The task icon helps to identify the task status at a glance. So in the Task Manager, we can review the task, change due dates if necessary, and change other details such as user, supervisor, etc. Let's set a new end date and due date for this task. Select the new end date. As well as due date. Click Assign. Now we can see that the task has a new due date. And change other details such as user, supervisor, etc. While calling a client, we can log the details of communication in the notes and update the call status. We have a call notes feature in the task center. In the Call Status dialog, select a status. Say complete. Now we can see the call status of the task. Let's add some task center status. Now, right-click, and go to WIP status. And select a status for the task.